Hello mga kabarkada. Ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Roblox Rivals. Let's go now. Let's play 1v1. Ito po yung yung parang nagsa-search. Ito yung parang nagsa-search. Galing naman ng Rivals na alam mo yung ganun eh. Pwede sa kahit anong country. Sana Philippines. World. Sana. Tan. Climb the crane daw. 3, 2, 1, go. Roads na lang pipiliin ko, guys. Sniper po ang gagamitin ko. Let's go. Bayak. Nasaan kaya siya? Ayun o. Ayun o.
It's fine. It's fine. I don't really want to talk about it. Okay. You.
Naka-aimbot pa ako. One thing not to do in Rivals, don't be AFK. Or don't be standing still. Ayun siya. Oh my gosh. Lasang crossbow. Dito po tayo dadaan sa secret tunnel. Bro. Dapat pala ginamit ko ang katana. Dapat ginamit ko yung katana. Sakita. Yun! Malapit na guys. Where are you? Oh my goodness, parang need ko mag-RPG. Gamitin ko muna yung RPG. Ay, hindi. Assault rifle pala muna. Bro. Why is he standing still? RPG time. Joke. Naka-1 na nga. As Loopy. Where are you? Saan kaya? I cannot find him anywhere. Bro, I think he disconnected or leave. But it's okay. Monkey D. Luffy with assault rifle be like with Jesus on his shoulder because he did you know? Because Luffy can't die because he got plot armor from God. The god I'm saying is Oda. The legend. Most legendary than Technoblaze. I don't know. Naghahanap ako ng kalaban. You can earn special rewards for eliminating other developers and influencers. Ba't ako wala? Ito lang. Na sa 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Sabi daw, ano daw, kesa sa wag daw sa arena, sabi daw. E di, bago may sabi pang, go climb the crane. So, I will do that. Aldo guys. Hindi niya alam. I have a great idea. Bruh! 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 I'm gonna go there again. Bro, I fell. Yes, I finally got. Let's go. Kala niya nandun ako. Nandoon. Bro! That's why I deserve for climbing the train that I'm gonna go again. Yes! Sana hindi niya ako mahanap. Gamit niya yung bow. Bam, 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 bam. Nasaan siya? A barrel. Trap. Yun. Spammer sa bow yarn. Bruh. I think I'm not going super up. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. I just fall off the map. I think I need to go with assault rifle. Don't know. Yes. Bro! Need ko na siyang patayin. Ayoko na punta sa crane. Parang sinadya ko yun ah. Bro. Sinasadya ko lang ata eh. Cut ko muna yan kapag nag-aant na ako. Bye. Cut lang. Okay guys, may nahanap na ako. Yung arena pala yan, originally ay test map. Pero hindi na. Bago ginawa in 5 minutes. Yung arena. Aga, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Uy, 158, patay tayo dyan. Lead natin ay museum. Ay, hindi, studio. Bro, playground. Ay, okay lang pala yan. Let's go now. Oh my gosh. Ito nakakatakot. Ito nakakatakot na player, 100 plus. Bro. Ba yan? Bro. Ano ba yan? Kain mo na nga ako. Nagamit pala burst rifle. Kala ko gamit na spray. Bro, how did I do that? Yun, mata, yun. Yes. Oh my gosh. Nasaan siya? Don't stand still. Don't stand still. Oh my gosh. Gamit natin na RPG. Try tayo dyan gamit ng RPG. Aray ko, thank you for the boost pala. Aray ko. Aray mo. Pakak. Alam ko lang pala gagawin ko. Aldo. Paldo siya. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cause I'm ready for to the bro. I'ma die. Aba. Ano palagi na 5-1? Okay, guys. Ayan na lang yung last. Hello. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. Bye. Wash